Ready? Born ready. Let's get rich. Everyone down. This is a robbery.
Hands where I can see her. Tellers, open the drawers. Fill this bag. Don't try and be a hero. Because if you do, you'll die like the bad guy in the movie. Just do as we say. The money belongs to the bank, your life belongs to you. Be smart and don't do anything stupid. No heroes.
Please, don't hurt us.
Cut the cameras now.
It's done. Please don't kill me.
Keep your heads down. No movement. Bro.
I'm not going to hurt you. Now, vault. Manager, where is he?
There.
I'm the manager.
First, you're going to take us to the vault, and you're going to open it. If you refuse, you're going to get hurt. Now do you understand me?
Okay, yes I do. The vault code is 8675. Just take it.
Good boy.
Jackpot. Stacks of cash, hundreds, thousands. Load up. 3.5 million easy?
Grab the gold bars too. We're set.
Yes, I already have. I got more gold bars.
Now let's try and get the hell out of here.
Freeze! Police are coming.
Not today. Run!
What you just watched is something that Platagon alone simply cannot do. But as you can see for yourself, with the help of AI, it is completely possible. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a full bank robbery animation, complete with a vault scene, a hostage situation at gunpoint, a cash-stuffed getaway bag, and a high-speed car chase through the city with a black van and police cars. And all of this starts with nothing more than the Platagon app on your phone or computer. Let's get into it. This scene is actually from one of my earlier videos I uploaded about a month ago. In that episode, Classic Caillou was sentenced to court. He escaped juvenile detention and wanted to get back at his parents for testifying against him. To do that, he needed cash. Cash to buy explosives and blow up their house. And today, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it yourself. Now, step 1. Write your story and script first. Before you open any app, you need your story and your script ready. I'm not going to go deep into that here. I covered it in detail in a previous video, so go check that out. But make sure you know exactly what scenes you need before you start building anything. Step 2. Get your reference images from Plotagon. Open Plotagon. If you don't have it, the download link is in the description. It's available on Android, PC, Google Play Store, and the Apple App Store. For this bank robbery scene, we need 3 things from Plotagon. Number 1, the location. Search through the scenes and select a suburban street location. Click on it, hit the camera toggle button, and set it to an establishing shot. This is going to be our outdoor reference. Number 2, the vault. Now search for the scene called Airlock Corridor. Platagon doesn't have an actual bank vault scene, but this one works perfectly as a stand-in. It has the right look and feel. Click on it. Number 3, characters. For my video, the 2 characters robbing the bank are Classic Caillou and his friend Spark, who he met in juvenile detention. Place both characters in the scene, just like this. And render your video out of Plotagon. Then bring all video into your editing software. Once your footage is in your editing software, take screenshots of the following: the suburban street establishing shot, the vault/airlock corridor scene, the moment just before your character pulls out the weapon, right before he's about to say, "This is a robbery, nobody move." These screenshots are your reference images for the AI generation coming up next. Step 3. Generate the vault scene with higgsfield AI. Now open higgsfield AI at higgsfield.ai. First, generate the vault image. We have our 2 characters standing in the airlock corridor, but right now, it just looks like an empty room. We need it to look like a bank vault, full of cash, duffel bags, and that intense robbery energy. For this, head to the image section of higgsfield AI and select the model Nano Banana Pro. Upload your vault screenshot as the reference image, then paste in this prompt. Fill the vault image with cash. Add 2 duffel bags hanging on the 2 men in the image. Give them dark tactical bags. Put huge stacks of cash like a real bank vault all over the walls. Set the quality to 4K, aspect ratio to 16:9, and hit generate. The result you get should show your 2 characters surrounded by stacks of cash with duffel bags on them. This image is what we're going to use as the starting frame for our video generation. Next, generate the vault video. Now head over to the video section in higgsfield AI. Scroll down and select the model Kling 3.0. Click on Start Frame and drop in the vault image you just generated. Use this prompt. In the image, there is cash everywhere. Make the two standing characters walk onto the stack of cash and put cash into the bags they are carrying. Keep the camera in the same position. Do not make the characters talk, just have them perform the action. For resolution, use 1080p to balance quality and credit cost. Set the duration to 10, 8, 7, 6 seconds, or whatever you think suits your video. And hit generate. You may need to generate more than once to get a result you're happy with. If the first generation doesn't look right, hit generate again. Use the one that looks most convincing and move on. Step 4. Generate the gunpoint scene. Now take the screenshot you captured of your character right before he pulls out the weapon. Upload that into higgsfield AI as your start frame using the same Kling 3.0 model. Use this prompt. Put a pistol in the guy's hand. Have him point it forward with an angry face expression and shout. Set the duration to the number of seconds you want. And hit generate. When the result comes back, review it.
This is a robbery. Nobody moves. Put your hands in the air.
Just cut around whatever doesn't work and use the best section. Step 5. Generate the bank exterior and car chase. Now we need a bank building. Platagon doesn't have an establishing shot of a bank, so we're going to create one using AI. Go back to the image section in higgsfield AI with Nano Banana Pro selected. Take your suburban street screenshot from Platagon and drag it in as your reference image. Use this prompt. Replace the house in the image with a bank building that has the same texture as the surrounding buildings. Put cars in the parking lot around the bank. Make it large and give it the name Platagon National Bank with an American flag. Keep the same settings, 4K, 16:9, and generate. You may get 2 or 3 variations. Pick the one that looks most realistic. For mine, I ended up with a clean image showing Platagon National Bank with matching building textures, a parking lot, and a proper city feel. That's the one I used. Next, generate the car chase video. Now take your bank image and head to the video section. Select Kling 3.0. Drop the bank image into the start frame and use this prompt. Make a black van come out of the driveway onto the road and drive away at high speed. Keep the camera tracking the van. Have a police car chase behind the van. Hit generate and see what comes back. For my version, I got a clip where, if you slow it down, you can see the police car appearing in the distance and then pulling up behind the black van. That worked well. I also tried a version where cash flies out of the van during the chase, but that generation came back with cash flying out of the police cars too, which didn't make any sense. So I scrapped that version and went with the cleaner chase clip instead. Always review your generations critically and only use what actually makes sense for your story. Step 6. Edit it all together. At this point, you have 3 AI-generated video clips. The vault scene, 2 characters loading cash into duffel bags. The gunpoint scene, your character firing a shot and demanding everyone freeze. The car chase, a black van fleeing the bank with police in pursuit. These 3 AI clips are not replacements for Platagon. They are inserts that fill in the moments where Platagon simply can't deliver. Bring everything into your editing software. Arrange your Platagon footage and AI clips in order. Add your sound effects. Add your background music. And color correct the AI clips slightly to help them blend in with your Platagon footage. And this is the result.
Ready?
Born ready.
Let's get rich. Everyone down. This is a robbery.
Hands where I can see her. Tellers, open the drawers. Fill this bag. Don't try and be a hero. Because if you do, you'll die like the bad guy in the movie. Just do as we say. The money belongs to the bank, your life belongs to you. Be smart and don't do anything stupid. No heroes.
Please, don't hurt us.
Cut the cameras now.
It's done. Please don't kill me.
Keep your heads down. No movement.
Look, I'm not going to hurt you. Now, vault manager, where is he?
There.
I'm the manager.
First, you're going to take us to the vault, and you're going to open it. If you refuse, you're going to get hurt. Now do you understand me?
Okay, yes I do. The vault code is 8675. Just take it.
Good boy.
Jackpot. Stacks of cash hunger.
Freeze! Police are coming.
Not today.
Run! And that is how you use AI to create a full bank robbery animation in Platagon. Car chase, vault heist, gunpoint scene, and all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I've got a lot more coming, including how to get multiple camera angles in Platagon. And trust me, you do not want to miss that one. If you know someone who's trying to get into animation without dealing with complicated software, share this video with them. It could save them a lot of time and trial and error. If you want to start making money from your Platagon videos on YouTube, I think you would want to watch this video where I teach you how it's done. I'll see you there!